In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet on Samsung phone. So if you're stuck with the connected without internet error on any Samsung phone, then here's the real guide to fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, before you do anything, go ahead and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds. And after that, go ahead and turn this option off. This will slightly restart the network system and see if that fixes your problem or not. And once you have done this, the very next thing that you have to do, open up the settings app from your Samsung phone. And then go ahead and tap on connections. Now this time tap on Wi-Fi here. And then go and tap on the settings icon beside your connected Wi-Fi. And then go ahead and tap on forget at the bottom right. And the Wi-Fi data will be deleted, and you just need to go ahead and reconnect the Wi-Fi once again. And doing this process, mostly the problem is going to be solved. But if any case, if you still have the same problem over and over again, then you can restart your router once. You can completely turn off your router for 20 seconds and after that, unplug it back again and see if that fixes your problem or not. If none of these steps work, then all you can do, lastly, you can actually contact your internet provider because the problem is from there. And these are the only ways that you guys can follow in order to fix connected without internet problem on any Samsung phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.